morning. Here we are again at Slam Event Production. So, it's been a while since I filmed a vlog or a beauty haul. It's just like, minsan yun, alam niyo yun, parang may tamad, dahil sa quarantine yun. It's just so frustrating sometimes that you don't want to get up, you just want to sleep, watch Netflix, eat. That's why I am gaining weight. So, wala tayong magagawa doon. Yun talaga eh. But, I'm gonna do here a part 1 of my beauty haul. So, etong mga products na to, don't get me wrong, naipon ko siya for, I think, last January pa. January, inipon-ipon ko siya. I didn't even use it. I just, some of them are bought in Lazada, Shopee, pero most of it at SM, and sa mga malls and everything. So, inipon ko siya. It's a big bag, actually. That's why we have a part 1, and we also have a part 2. So, hindi nilagay ko siya sa eco bag kasi sobrang dami niya. And don't worry, some of these products or maybe some of the products that I will be mentioning will be given out or we'll do a giveaway for you guys. So, check that out. So, wala pa masyadong magandang background, so this will just do for now. So, ayun. So, I'm having, for the past few months and weeks, I have been, craving for some different kind of masks. So, ito yung mga products that I bought. This is a peel-off mask. Gold Collagen, Whitening, Anti-Wrinkle. I bought it at Shopee, I think. And I haven't tried this, but maganda ako kasi when I buy from Shopee or Lazada, I make sure na maganda yung mga reviews. And I also see the bad reviews. Of course, not all beauty products will be good for your skin. And also, depende pa rin sa, sa parang, sa sensitivity ng skin mo, or even if it's good for like 80% of the people, 20% are the people that are sensitive or hindi talaga hiyang. So, hiyang lang talaga. So, hindi naman ako ma-artist sa face ko. So, ayun. It's a combination of plant collagen using only 99. So, I haven't opened this one yet. So, I don't know. Kung sino man nakapag-try nito sa inyo, inform me or what do you think it is. Ang concern ko pa lang siya, check ko lang siya sa ingredients, water and alcohol agad ang nakalagay. So, I don't know if I'm gonna be using it. I just opened it. Ooh, as in literally gold yung ano niya. Yeah, it's sticky, of course. Pero parang very nice, parang good talaga yung face mo. Yeah, it smells like gum. It's like plastic, so medyo hindi ko siya gusto. Pero I think this is just, 200 pesos or 250 pesos if I'm not mistaken. I'll drop it down. Lalagay ko sa description kung saan ko bili if ever. Hindi ko makalimutan. Basta, parang ayun. Parang I don't like the smell. Parang masyado siyang matapang. I think for sensitive skin, this is not the right product for you. Okay? And, ayun. Well, I just bought it. Maybe, let's see. Another mask is this whitening peel-off mask. Ito, na-try ko na siya. Actually, hindi ko masyado siya nagustuhan kasi, parang you have to put a lot. You have to put a lot of products for you to get that, para kumapal, para ma-full yung face mo. And I think parang siguro 6 times mo lang gagamitin, mauubos na siya, or 8. Kaya, ayan, this is how it looks like. It's white. Nabuksan ko na siya, so, ayan. I don't wanna squeeze it. Squeeze it more. But yun nga, nakita ko rin sa ingredients, agad alcohol, propylene glycol alcohol. So, and anong amoy niya. Well, this is much more, I think, lighter than the other one. Hindi siya masyadong ganun kakatapang yung plasticky smell. So, I don't know. Pero nung trinay ko siya, nag-peel off naman talaga. Medyo gumanda yung skin ko. But I don't think I'm gonna use it every day. And, yeah, maybe. Anyway, so ayun. So I've been also buying this The brand is Braley. Ang ganda ng mga reviews niya. So, parang napabili ako sa kanya sa Shopee and Lazada. I think I bought this parang a few months ago. But, I haven't tried it because marami pa akong mga beauty serum and everything. So, this is Braley 24K Gold. So, we're gonna open it right now. Probably fast forward ko kasi medyo mahirap siyang i-open with the plastic and everything. Marami rin siyang magandang review. So, okay. Ooh, nice. So, this is how it looks like. Ayan. May mga flecks of gold siya. Kaya, I think that's the 24-hour gold collagen. Let me... Well, it smells nice. Actually, parang wala siyang ka-smell. It smells clean. Yun ang masasabi ko sa kanya. It says it's a collagen serum, anti-aging, and anti-wrinkles. It's water. Ang mga ingredients na top 5 niya is gold foil, hyaluronic acid, collagen, carbomer, AG. I don't know the other one. But the good thing is it doesn't have any alcohol, as I can see it. It has gold foil, and the hyaluronic acid is one of, you know, the things that we need para maiwasan natin yung pimples. And the other one is collagen. Of course, we got that, you know, elasticity going on here. So the other one is the Snail's Repair Serum. So what it does, it's an anti-acne, nourishing, keep skin healthy and energetic. I think ito mga 150 pesos or 250 pesos. Mga ganung pricing niya. The ingredients again are water, it's a good one, glycerol, snail secretion, filtrate, Asiatic extract, hyaluronic acid. There's no collagen here, but I think the rest of the ingredients, I don't know the others, but so far I like the, it's just normal nail serum. I don't know, focus on, ayaw niya mag-focus. Pero anyway, ganito siya, and let's check the smell. Well, it smells snaily. Anyway, that doesn't make any sense. But yeah, it has a snail serum. But, sige, try natin. Well, it's very watery. Itong snail serum, mas parang water siya. Pero ayun, okay. After pagka-water niya, may pagka-sticky or sense feeling. Ayan. After watery feeling, sticky feeling, then ngayon wala na. Parang matte feeling na siya. Oh, this is curious. Very curious. I think this is better if you have it sa morning. Like if you put your moisturizer and you put your snail serum, then put your primer, then foundation. I think that would be good para hindi siya masyado sticky. So we're gonna try the 24 Gold. Anong feeling sa skin? This is more jelly, oily base. This goes into water. Pagka-water, very light, watery consistency niya. Very nice. I think it's good for, it's very nice sa skin. Parang very moisturizing siya. I'm excited for this. I also bought two, pero ito ginagamit ko na siya. Another four products from Braley is the Pore Serum. Focus. And Braley Serum. This is very nice. It says Tea Tree Pore Serum, shrinks pores and tightens skin. I have used this like mga 2 times throughout the evening. So far, it's nice. And I think, yeah, my pores are a little bit smaller ng konti. Pero, hindi natin alam kung dahil dito yun, pero tingnan natin kung in the future that would be, you know, possible for this. But, yeah, I'm not gonna recommend it right now, pero let's see. Okay? This is more of a gel, silky feeling. And the other one is the Vitamin C, Braley, of course, Skin White bright skin. As they said, kailangan daw yung mga vitamin C serum. So, I was using for a popular choice of a vitamin C serum that is not too expensive. So, I got this one again from Braley at Shopee. Talagang, yung store dun sa, is specifically Braley products ang binibenta niya. So, it's very small, but it's very nice feeling. Ito, very may pagka-oiliness. So, better oily siya from the first, then magiging watery siya. It's kind of weird consistency, but it's nice. The other two products that I bought is, this is the Wrinkle Eye Cream from Braley again. So, it promotes skin circulation, promote eye, skin relaxation, fine lines, and dark wrinkles. So, actually, very, very nice siya. Medyo thick yung consistency niya. So, ginagamit ko siya kasi, you know, we are in our 30s, bebe. And we have to check our fine lines, and I always smile. And nagkakaroon ako ng fine lines dito and wrinkles because I tend to rub my eye a lot. So, kung gusto nyo mawala ang wrinkles nyo or hindi kayo magkaagad ng wrinkles by your 40s, as much as possible, don't rub your eyes. What I do is eye drops. Yung binigay sa akin ng good friend ko, Marsha Velas, shout out, is a Japan eye drops. It's very cooling at first. Mahapdi siya at first. Para, what? It's so nice. Pero after nun, magiging okay na siya. Magiging very refreshing mata mo. So, ginagamit ko siya pag inaantok ako. It wakes me up. And also, pag nangangati yung mata ko, I just put it 1 to 2 drops and itchiness stops. So, maganda siya. So, better not, you know, rub your eyes. So, eto, Wrinkle Eye Cream, I highly suggest when you're in your 20s, start with the eye cream. Because if you don't want your wrinkles by the time you're 40 and 50, this, any eye cream will do, I think. But if you want to check other eye creams, you can also do so. As much as possible, I think sa mga skincare products, I highly suggest you use any products that are Korean-based. I don't know if this is Korean-based or like China-based products. But anyway, I'm just gonna try it because it's affordable. At the same time, a lot of people are having good reviews from these products. So, ayan. Another one from their line is the vitamin C. 20% vitamin C serum. Come on, focus. And the problema ko lang din sa camera. It doesn't focus. Yeah, doing that well. Vitamin C. Whitening, remove dark spots. Actually, it's a moisturizer, so I put it in the morning. Ito yung morning facial moisturizer ko. Or even when kasi medyo thick yung consistency. If you have dry skin, this is nice to go under your skin when it comes to makeup, but I don't use this if I do a makeup throughout the day if I go out. Yun. Ang other product is from Braley. That's all that I got from Braley. And yeah, so skincare, we have, I think, lots more to talk about, but you know, halo-halo na siya. Okay, so I got this naman from the hair from Lux Organic. This is an Argan oil 3-minute hair repair conditioner. So I bought it at, I think, Lazada again and or Shopee because it's a buy one take one for, I forgot how much, but I love Lux Organic. Their brand or their products are mostly super nice. So I'm gonna also do a video of the top 10 products that I use, or the top 10 skincare, or any halo-halo, the top 20 products that I love using, or my holy grail. So that's gonna be on another video, but I haven't tried this before, but let's see. It's a big product, and I think it's like 250-300 for 2, and it's already big, so it's totally worth it. Okay.